Okay, hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make a dead note on the computer in Word, and that you will need is of course Word. I don't have it right here. This one. I have what? Not that one, but this one. Yeah, and yeah, I shipped these. So don't say anything about my wallpaper right now. But you need this one, and you need internet. And the first thing you're going to do is Word up, yeah, and go to site layout and site color, and then black. Choose black. Then go to the web. And this site, I will leave the link down below. Yeah. The movie. Okay, and it have to be on that node. Don't the big one, but the small one. Here you're going to type in that node with the big letters, because it has that. Then the color white. I can just show you it with black. Don't know what's happened there. Oh, yeah. Shall it in white. Can read. Then you right click on it and say copy picture. Then you up Word and right click and set insert it. Okay, so now it's staying right here, and on the dead node, yeah, I still want big. Here you can see it's in the middle of it. You can also download this and paste in, but I don't know. I will not do it. You're going to click on the picture. Click this one. I don't know what is called in English. And take this. Make it a little bit bigger. Like this. And then save it. No, sorry. Then go to this one. And click empty page. Of course not like this, but okay. Yeah, empty page. I have to do it before this, but don't care if you print it out. It just have to put these two together. And this is the what's called back side of the book, as you can see. And save it. And I will save it as that node front and back. Now to the rules. Go to File and New and Empty, and this one button. Here you do the same to make it black. Side layout, side color, black. Then go to the internet. That node club on DeviantArt have the rules. Link below again. Yeah, there are many rules. Trust me. There's many rules, but yes, just 5 pages because we don't have to fill or book with so many. But you doing the same, copy the picture, open up Word, put it in, and do it with the others. New site, go to this, go to page 2, copy picture, paste. You're doing this to all the rules, and I don't want that. So I just close them down, because I already have them. I just put this one in down like this. Okay. And now to the node paper. We're going to make a new one. Instead of, oh, I have it there. Instead of open this up, you can just, example, in the folder, right click new, and Word. Then you can type in the name. Right here. Right things here. Open it up. Okay. I just have to figure it out. Yes, here. I think. Shuck. Oh. Oh. Sorry, I'm just here. I have. Oof. Why did you close down? Maybe in layout. I actually don't know how to do it right now, so I'm just looking around to see it. Cool. I didn't know that. But you can make these lines all the way down. Yeah. Want to connect. Stop. Okay. I will post another video where I show you how to make the lines. So yeah. Thumbs up for the dead mode. And L. Also for that. But sorry for my mouth. I don't know why mouth. I don't know. Yeah. See you in the next video. Bye. Oh, and you cannot see. Oh, yes, the watermark here. Sorry.